Now I'm going to take you guys through step by step and show you how to plant up this AquaPots ceramic planter. Step 1. Screw the soil tube onto the bottom of the disc. Step 2. Set the assembled tube and disc into the pot so it sits firmly on the interior rim. Adjust the length of the soil tube if needed. Step 3. Insert water tube as shown. Step 4. Fill the soil tube with Proven Winners premium potting soil. Press down lightly to make sure it is full, then fill the rest of the pot. Step 5. Mix 1 scoop of Proven Winners premium continuous release plant food into the potting soil. Step 6. Pour an additional scoop of plant food down the water tube to create nutrient-rich water. Step 7. Plant your favorite Proven Winners varieties in the planter. Step 8. Water the plants in well, soaking the soil thoroughly. Step 9. Use a hose or watering can to fill up the water reservoir through the water tube. You know it's full when water trickles out of the overflow hole on the side of the planter. Step 10. Set a reminder to refill your AquaPots planter once per week.